2010 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power windows, bucket seats, CD player, power door locks, passenger airbag, air conditioning. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.